Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see how to install and configure Back-Drop CMS on Rocky Linux 8.6. Back-Drop CMS is a simple and complete content management system designed for creating web-based content including site, blog, galleries and social network. Even people without extensive technical knowledge can easily generate web content with this tool. Now I am going to check the installed version of OS using cat command. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now I am going to install the PHP required modules for Back-Drop CMS. Press Y and hit enter. Now I am going to log in MySQL as a root user. Now I am going to create the DB by the name of DropDB. Now I am going to create the user by the name of drop user. Now I am going to grant all the privileges for the drop DB to the drop user. Flush the privileges. Now exit MySQL. Now download the Back-Drop package on /mnt directory. The zip file is downloaded. Now I am going to unzip the file on following directory. Now move to the path. Now I am going to change the owner and group permission for the Back-Drop directory. Now I am going to give the permission for Back-Drop directory. Now I am going to create the virtual host. Now I am going to create the virtual host to access Back-Drop CMS. Press I to the insert mode. Document a route. Save and quit. Now I am going to put the host entry. Save and quit. Now I am going to restart my Apache web server. Now go to the browser. Now I am going to temporarily disable my SC Linux. Go to the browser. Search here your system IP address or your domain name. Here save and continue. Here enter your DB name. Here enter your database username. Here enter your user password. Save and continue. Save. Now the Back-Drop CMS is installing. Here enter your site name. Enter your email address. Save and continue. This is the welcome page of Back-Drop CMS. By this, the installation and configuration of Back-Drop CMS on Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.